you've ever done something one time, you say, that was good enough, I did it, but I'll never do it again. So I had a great time. Here's what happened. We had to take the certification class in the pool. And so my partner was this young lady who I'd never met before. And what we had to do was pretend as if the regulator, the mouthpiece, came out when you were 40 or 50 feet below. And you can't just swim up, so you have to learn how to have a partner and share back and forth. So we each supposed to take these big breaths and then hold our fingers out like that and prepare the person and pass it back and forth. And if you stand up in the pool at any time, because you can stand up easily at any time, you fail because you can't stand up 100 feet below the water in the ocean. So this young lady, we've been doing well 2 times. On the 3rd time, she did the 1, 2, 3, and I'm like, pass it back. She said, please don't make her my partner when you got out of the ocean. So she actually shook her head no. And I was like, come on, like, calm down. Like, trying to encourage her. She was like, oh, she was panicking. And she just couldn't take it. She stood up. And so, of course, she fell in the class. And it makes me, it reminds me of what we do here.